So hello guys. So in this video we're gonna see about your code formatter. Okay. So why I need code formatter? Because see, you can say this needs to have some uniform. Okay, in your code. Okay. After you type means then you can use your code formatter. Okay. So we will see how we can able to use it. Okay. So here we just go to source. Okay, and in your source we just need to go to format. Okay, so you can see, so this has been formatted. Okay, so this one we use a default one. Okay, so now I will just show you how we can able to customize this. Okay, so here first you just need to go to your Windows preferences. Okay, then you go to your C++. Okay, then in C++ you just go to your this one editor, and here your code style you have your formatter, and here you have the build. Okay, so this is kcar build, then you have gnn build. Okay, so in K and R build you have this one. Okay, so your flower bracket will be in the same line. Okay, so I change to BLDC build, so it will be coming in the next one. Okay, and in GNU we have like this. Okay, so like this you can have. Okay, and here you can also do another thing. Okay, that is to edit your this one, edit your formatter. Okay, so we just select it, and if we just click edit, okay, you will be redirected to this site. Okay, so here you have this one, indices. Okay, so indices means your space. Okay, so you just click use tab for your indices. You will have your tabs, space only. Okay, so either I can use tab. Okay, so previously it was just pressing tab. Okay, now we can have spaces. Okay, then you can put the number of spaces. Okay, so your integer size, if you put 2 means, okay, you have 2 spaces. Okay, so here if I just put 2, you can see, right? Just put 4 means, you can see. So I put 2 means, you can see the space will be 2. Okay, if I put 3, you can see. If I put 1, 2, like that. Okay, so this is your integer spaces. Okay, that I can put in your code. Okay, so here we just have the space. Okay, the space between the code. Okay, that I can put. Then I can also put this integers to be here in your switch body. You can see, right? You can also put here for the switch body. For your switch cases it was already there, which means the statements inside your switch body. Okay, so these are the statements that are there. If I just double untick it, there won't be space, case 0, case 1, like that. Then if I untick this one, there won't be any space for your statement inside your cases. Okay, same for your break. Okay, then space for any empty lines. Then we have label, so this is for your labels. Okay, then statement within, so this is one block, the statement within the block. Okay, then your public, private blocks and all. Okay, so the declaration point of your public, private, protected, statement inside your functions. Okay, so these are things here for your spaces. Okay, then next you have your braces. Okay, so braces, we just put next line means your point. Okay, so the class in its declaration will start from the next line. Okay, it won't start in the previous line. Okay, braces your brackets, the flower brackets, right? Same for here. the namespace declaration. Here you can see namespace, right? The brackets. Next line, intended means with space, okay? Next line on warp, okay? So like this, you can change for your linkage, okay? Your linkage, then function, then the blocks, okay? Switch statement, initialize list, okay? So this is your braces, okay? You can have. So then next is that we have your white spaces, okay? So we just take the statement, okay? Expression here your if else, okay? So if else you can have the spaces, okay? The space gap, okay? You just untick it, there won't be any space after it if there won't be any statement for your the brackets, okay? Then after opening your parameters, you have the space means you can have before closing, okay? Then next is your next for you can have switch, while, catch, and expressions you can have array, initialization, okay? So this is your white space thing, okay? For I think here you can also have because expressions you can also have after comma, yeah, before comma you can have, after comma you can have spaces, okay? Next we have your new lines, okay? So in new lines, so if you just click after colon, you need to create a new line, okay? So after colon you have, it will start with a new line. Or if I just put before colon, so before the colon, you start with a new line, okay? So before empty statement, okay? Before any empty statement, we start a new line, insert new line. Before identification, the void, int and all of the function, okay? Then after your label, new one, like that, okay? Okay, now next you can put the same thing for your control statements, okay? Insert a new line after your this one, if, then else you can start from new line, then for this one. So new line for your this one, catch and try, while, do while, okay? Then keep the then can put the statement in the same line itself, keep the else statement in the same line, okay? So this is for your control statement, okay? Then we have your line width, okay? So next is your wrapping. So what this means, the size of your vertical, okay? So till this one only you can have like that, okay? Then you can also set the length of the preview line, set line width for preview window. So I can put 50 characters, okay? 100, okay? You can see, right? If I put 100, you can see can able to accommodate. So 40 characters means only 40 characters can be put in the same line, okay? So then now you can also see, so I just close this one, okay? Then you can also have format for your comment lines, okay? Now you also see how we can have the thing called as your guidelines, okay? So now I just cancel this, okay? Let me just cancel this, okay? And go here in the preferences, just go to your general, okay? Then here you can go to editor, okay? Editors, okay? So in editors there will be text editors, okay? So in text editors, you can see show print margin. Okay, if you just apply it, line close. Okay, so you will see this line, right? So this is your guideline. Okay, till this point, I can able to put the characters. Okay, till this is your guideline. Okay, one second. Okay, so this is your guideline. Okay, writable line for your code. Okay. Okay, so here you can see this one. Okay, so this will indicate the number of characters that are there. Okay, so here this is in second place. Okay, I just put this one. Okay, so at this point you can see it reaches around the 81. Okay, we just start from here. Okay, so around 80 characters that we given the line, right? So that point it is perfectly there. Okay, so that's it for your code formatter. Okay, so you can just make changes in your code formatter, and if you just you can just go to your this one, just go to your preferences. Okay, I'll just change this one. If you just go to your code formatter, okay, I just use this one. I think I just apply this one, applying close. Just select this and go to your source format. Okay, you can have like this. Okay, so even though you can just type in your own, and if you want to format it, you can do it. Okay, you can just format this, you can do this one. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this video. So thank you guys.